Hi, so today I'm gonna show you how to fix a flat tire. My bike has this front tire flat, so we will change it. It will take 15 minutes. You need a couple of tools. I will show you what you need. Of course you need a new air chamber, then you need a pipe wrench, the size is 15, and finally you need a pump. Okay, so first you remove the screws there. And then be careful you don't forget anything. Okay, now that you have removed the wheel, you can put it on the ground. It's easier to remove the tire, like that. You can use a screwdriver if it's too hard. Then what you want to do is to remove the chamber there. You see it's all broken. And there you are. Get a nice hole there. So we're gonna change that and put a new one. So I have my new chamber here. It's quite easy to put back. You just be careful to put it there in the hole. There you go. So now you just have to put back the wheel. Okay, that's it. It's repaired. It took me 10 minutes and my hands are not even dirty. So it's quite easy. And see you next time. Hi. So today we're gonna check. Yeah. So. Whatever.